Okay, so we're going to do a little comparison of firecrackers. The first ones, these ones, are going to be the Canadian brand of firecrackers, the smallest ones. United States brand, well, not a brand, but from the United States. They're smallest ones. So these are the only ones we can get from Canada. The United States has a plethora of different ones, but small ones. So these are the smaller ones, European ones. Okay, so we're going to do all three and see what they sound like. Do one of each. Make it interesting. Maybe near the propane tanks. I don't know. No. Okay, so I'm just going to do we're going to do two of each. So we can get so it's not going to be, let's put these ones down over here. Let's do the one, let me see, Canadian version. I don't know. Not that great, I don't think. Let me see, let's find the other one. Just make sure we do two, just to make sure we don't get. Oh, see? Sometimes you get one of those. Shoots across. But that's not what it's supposed to do. Okay, so we're going to go with the United States brand here. Or United States. Firecrackers from United States. Pretty loud. It's pretty loud. I'm just picking them off the ground. I put them on the ground, so that's why you see me bending. Let's do another one like that, just to make sure. Okay. Now let's do the ones that are commonly bought inside Europe. So that's all over Europe. Let's see how these ones go. That was a little bit louder since I cannot hear anything right now. So let's light off another one like that. To end the video, let's go a little bit further back. Just to see, that one's a little bit of a dud. Wasn't as loud. So sometimes you don't get them quite as loud, but the first one, wow. Ear piercing. I'm still having ringing in my ears. So that'd be the difference between Canadian firecrackers, United States firecrackers you can buy, and European ones you can get. Triangles, they're called. Anyways, signing off. I hope you liked my video. Thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.